Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so we will see some information regarding the Arabic alphabets. And I want to say that in Arabic, the majority of the letters are light letters, are حروف مخففة. So when you hear someone speaking in Arabic, you hear that he is floating on the speech. So he is just speaking lightly, and we don't have very deep or high, or we call it heavy letters. So I will give you an idea. At the beginning, when I was learning English, I found it really difficult to say how are you, because for me in Arabic, ha, well, yeah, all these letters are light letters. In Arabic, I don't say ha, I say ha, not ha. I say wa, not wa, 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 wa. I have wa. I say yeah, not ya. So for me, it wasn't how are you, it was how are you. But that was very funny, and I was making a laugh on myself all the time. So uh, do the same. Try to hear to yourself saying it the same. Repeat it and be sure that you are saying the correct pronunciation is ha, ha. I have the first letter, for example, it's a, a. It's not all, a, not all, a, not ball, ba, not tall, ta. Because if you make it here heavy, if you say tall, you will have the letter tall. So I have the other side of the letter, ta, tall, ta. To say ta, you need to put your teeth, you need to put your tongue between your teeth here, and you say ta, ta. Okay, jim is simple. Ha, as I told you, jim, ha, kho. Kho is heavy, is the first heavy letter. I say kho, kho. Da, light. The, light. Ra, sometimes is light, sometimes is heavy. When we say ra, is heavy, but ri is light. Za, light. Sa, light. Sh, light. So, heavy is the second heavy letter. Then I have vo, do, to, vo. All these four letters are heavy, starting from sad, so are heavy letters. Then I have a is light, ro, ro. So the two letters from the top here of your throat are heavy letters. Then I have fa, kind, light, ho, ho is heavy, ka, light, la, la. In Arabic we say la, we don't say la like in English. La, ma, na, ha, wa, and ya. So I will have just 8 heavy letters in Arabic. I have 28, just 8 are heavy. The rest are light letters. Okay, this is the first information about the Arabic letters. Then I have other information. So if you notice here, I have 4 Ds. I have the, vo, and va. So the is the normal D. The is like when you say the in English. So this is the heavy form of this. So you say the and you say do, do, do. You put your tongue between your teeth here, say do, 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 and it's heavy. Then the heaviest one is va, va. So I repeat the 4. I say the, do, va, the, do, va. So these are my 4 Ds in Arabic. This I can notice. And then I have notes, sorry. Then I have what else? Okay, so in the tone of Arabic language, I need to, when I want to write a word, I need to connect the letters. So to connect the letters, I have a rule. What is this rule? The rule says that Each letter give hands to the next. Give the hand of the next to the next. So I will have here, for example, the letter, the word bait, which means a house in Arabic. So I will have ba at the beginning. Ba will give her hand to the next. The next is ya. Ya will come, catch the hand of ba like this, and give his hand to the next. I will have this form because the letter is giving both hands, so the form will change a bit. Then I will have ta at the end. Ta will catch the hand of ya and come at the end. I will have ta like this, and I will have the word bait, bait, which means a house. Okay, this is the general rule, but as usual, in any town we have good people and bad people. In my town of Arabic language, I have bad people as well. Those people, they catch the hand of the one before because they need help, but they never give their hands to the next one. So these bad people are 6 letters and are alif, dal, dal, ra, zay, and well. So these letters simply they catch the hand of the one before, but they don't give their hands to the next. For example, if I want to, I will write طماطم, tomato, طماطم. So here Alif catch the hand of the one before, but he didn't give his hand to the next, which is Ta. I have space between them because it's one of the 6 letters. And it's like this. Okay, this is the other note for about the Arabic letters. I think that's all. And we will see the form. Okay, the forms will change a bit when they give hands to each other. We will see how it works. Let's see. Okay, here I have this table and I have my letters. I wrote here all the letters at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. So, for example, here I will have ba. So ba at the beginning will give hands to the next. In the middle, we catch the hand of the one before and give hands to the next. And we will have this form. See? It's this form, like this. The purple one. Ta, ta, it's the same. So in the middle of the word, there are some letters which take the same form approximately, you can say. So I have ba. Ba in the middle is like this. Ba, ba, and ba. In the middle is like this. Okay? Ta and ta, the same. Look, the same form, and the difference is only in the number of the dots and the position of the dots. The third is like this, the same. Then I have other letters. So I have noon. Noon at the beginning is like this, in the middle like this, and at the end like this. So at the beginning and the middle, they have the same form like ba, ta, and tha, except at the end, okay, all the letters at the end of the words, they have the main form. Okay, then I have ya. Ya is like this. So if you notice here at the beginning and in the middle, they have the same form, basically, and the difference is only in the number and the position of the dots. These are my letters, and which are similar. Let's take a look on the others. So I have Jim, for example. Yeah, these 3. I have Jim, Ha, and Kha. When we connect the letters, Jim, Ha, and Kha. So, oh, sorry. Jim, Ha, and Kha. So when we wrote, we said that we have a head and we have a long arm or long hand. So the letter is a kind. These 3 letters are kind letters. So they will give that long hand to the next, and we will keep only the head. So Jim is like this at the beginning, In the middle, we catch the hand of the one before and give hand to the next, so we will have the head. At the end, we will have the main form. The same for the two others. Okay, so for the bad people, they will not give hands. So if they are together, then I have some letters we change a lot. So like kaf and ayn. Ayn, at the beginning, we will keep only the head, as we said for the jim, ha, and kha. But in the middle, we have a form like triangle, like a reverse triangle. So we have a form like this in the middle, ayn. And at the end is this form with the long arm, like ghain is the same, but with one dot. The other letter which change a lot, we have just two letters which change a lot. So ayn, ghain, and I have kaf. Okay, I consider ayn and ghain one letter because they have the same form. Because here I'm speaking only about the forms. So kaf, I will have this form as you see at the beginning. In the middle, the same form, which was at the beginning, and at the end, I have the main form. These are my letters, and always when I do a lesson for the letters in Arabic language, I take maximum 2 hours. So 2 hours is to explain, to give you all what do you need to be able to read and write in Arabic. It's easy if you deal with it as easy, and that's all. So it will need a lot of practice, of course. Okay, so next time we will speak about the vowels, the equal of the vowels in Arabic language. Thank you very much. See you. Salam alaikum.